And that brings us to this week's medical moment. And today we're talking about those new CDC guidelines on masks. Again, if you're fully vaccinated, you don't have to wear one outside or in most indoor situations.
Dr. Peter Rippey from USA Health joins us now. Dr. Rippey, thanks for being with us. With this new guidance, why are masks still required in places like hospitals and healthcare facilities?
Well, I think you touched on part of the reason, and I think the major thing to underscore is that the CDC guidance changed for those who have been vaccinated. So if you're vaccinated, you no longer need to wear masks or necessarily distance. However, if you're not vaccinated, you should still be wearing a mask. And the CDC guidelines also said, you have to follow your local and state rules. And so since we can't really determine who has and has not been vaccinated, I think it's best at this point if everyone wears masks, especially in medical facilities where there may be people who are otherwise ill or have compromised immune systems that could put them in increased risk.
Doctor, only 27% are fully vaccinated here in Alabama. It's less in Mississippi. No state is even at 50%. We always heard that herd immunity would come in at, say, maybe 75 or 80%. So is all of this too soon, in your opinion?
I think that it is. I understand that everybody wants to get rid of masks. There's plenty of science behind the fact that masks do help reduce spread. And I think the other reason that it's, in my opinion, a little bit too soon is because we just now got the Pfizer vaccine approved for children ages 12 to 16. So I would have liked to see them hold off on reducing some of these mask mandates until we've had a little bit more time to get some of the child and adolescent population vaccinated. But I think that the science shows that if you have been vaccinated, the vaccine works very well. And so you're really unlikely to catch COVID if you've been vaccinated. But I think continuing to wear masks when you're in crowded situations, or of course, following the rules of local organizations like hospitals that are still requiring everyone to wear a mask is prudent.
What do you say to those folks who have not been vaccinated yet? A lot of people saying they're worried about the vaccine. What would you like to say to allay their fears to get more people to get the vaccine?
I think that, there's a lot of misinformation going around on social media and on the internet. So, make sure that you're checking your sources. If you're hearing something concerning about the vaccine, make sure it's coming from a source that you trust. There's plenty of information available on the CDC and local state and government health websites regarding the vaccine. It's very safe, it's very effective. And I think if you want to get rid of your mask, then you got to get vaccinated.
Dr. Peter Rippey with USA Health, thank you very much.
Thank you.